Welcome aboard the all-new Freedom Yacht. This 157-foot yacht can accommodate 22 passengers, and it features 11 cabins with a full crew and staff on board. I'm part of the very first group to board and experience the Freedom Yacht. I'm going to show you around some of the amenities. They've got a jacuzzi, they've got a sauna, massage room, there's jet skis, a gym. They've got everything you need on board. So let me show you around. All right, let's go downstairs and I'll show you my favorite part of the boat. The yacht is fully equipped with water toys, including a sea bob, paddle boarding, hydrofoil, kayaks. Everything you need is right here on board. Check it out. If you're interested in booking the Freedom Yacht or any other yacht to sail around Europe, check out the link in my comments. This particular yacht starts at 100,000 euros for a basic charter package. Food and beverage are extra, and you're looking at about $5,000 to $7,000 per person for the week. So check out the link in my bio for more information, and thank you so much for watching.